Here is how to see deleted message in WhatsApp using Samsung phone. Did someone delete a message on WhatsApp before you saw it on your Samsung phone? Don't panic guys, in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can read deleted messages on your device. So let's go. First open the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on notifications, tap advanced settings from the below. Now tap on notification history. Make sure to turn it on first. After that, you can see all the deleted notifications here. If you scroll down, you will find apps by app segment of deleted notifications. Now find out the WhatsApp and then tap on it. Here you can see the deleted messages. You can read here as well. So guys, this is how you can read deleted messages on your Samsung phone. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, or if you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!